So we're gonna take the alternator off because I got alternator problem. The charging fault is coming in this car. This is BMW 116 with N13 engine, which is common for Mini Cooper, Peugeot and many other cars. So first we have to do is take the air duct out. For that, remove the bonnet lever, then disconnect the map sensor. Then I'm gonna disconnect this one, the turbo inlet, completely because it will be easier for us to view in. So this one has a clip from both sides. Just take it out, and in here we got to remove it with a flat head. Now below there is a oil return line. This one we will remove it from this side. That's also a clip. I have tied it across with a zip tie. I'm gonna break that zip tie, but it's actually same plastic connector, just like this. And this one for the diverter valve, you just have to press it and take it out to get the connection out. So I'm gonna cut the zip tie. And take this particular oil return line out. Hope you saw that. This one. Okay. Now taking the air duct out, just pull from here. This one and from this part. And be careful because this is actually two pieces. Have to be removing it very carefully, otherwise it will break. Or else you can disconnect this particular connection in here near to the mass, and after that you can do this. Anyways, I'm just trying to do it all together. So it's out. Now we're gonna take the alternator out by first removing the belt. Remember, you should not do anything with the alternator without disconnecting the battery. With a 16mm socket, I'm gonna remove the belt by loosening the tension. Okay, now we can access the bolts, which is Torx bit 12, 1, 2. That's it in here. I think there should be a bolt over there as well, but I'm not sure about that because in mine there is nothing. So I'm gonna remove that, and probably I have to remove the tensioner, then only the alternator can be taken out. So I'm gonna remove the tensioner as well with a Torx bit E12. I'm gonna remove the bolt in here, the upper part. This one. Okay, that too with E12. Got it out. So next one is the bottom one. So the bottom one is different from the top one. This is the top one and this is the bottom one. So it's better to remove this turbo hose. This is actually turbo outlet hose. This has two pulling parts, one here and one here. So use a flathead, and similarly you can use a flathead or a prick tool like this to take the same clip from the lower part. I cannot show it because I'm not going down the car. This is the part where you need to remove that, and I'll show you after taking this one out. Okay. See this? It will be just like this, and from down you have to take it out, pull it out completely so that it stays unlocked. This is a lock, so from both sides you have to pull it out, then only it will stay unlocked, otherwise it will go back. See there? So once you unlock from here, you have to use some other tool, flathead, another flathead or something like that, or you have to put something here so that it stays, and then pull this one out as well, just like this. Right? This has to come completely out, otherwise it will keep on locking. So that is what you have to do. Once you take it out, keep it locked. That's safe for you, and it's it will be put back in locking position. You don't have to unlock it to put it back. You just push it and it will stay in. I'm gonna clean this as well because there is all in there, and now we're gonna continue removing the alternator. Already we have removed these two bolts. As I told you, the third one should be here, but it's not a proper bolt which has been installed. Once I take it out, I'll show you, because the visibility is very less in here. Stop. Now we have to remove this air duct. A little bit more down. You can see the clip here. I'm gonna use the flathead to lift it and remove. Okay, has been removed. Now this one is one of the connector. Let me put the lights over there. Yeah, and this connector can be removed by pressing the clip in here and pull it out. Okay, so you've got the blue connector out. Now this one, so I'm gonna use a flathead to push alternator out. Because I did not disconnect this particular positive line from my way. It's coming out. Oops. Did you see that? Where it went? That's fine. So it's better to remove this line, the positive line, before taking the alternator out, which will be easy for us. So for the size, it's 13 millimeter. It was better to take it out before. Sorry, it was better to remove the connection out before taking it out from the mount. So I got the 13 millimeter nut. Be careful, you might drop it. So I got it out, and the connection for the positive. So it's out now, away from me. So that's it. I'm gonna take the alternator out now. Is there anything in between? Below? Below. Yeah. Make sure you don't bring any other cables along with it, because it's getting hooked up everywhere because of this air duct. So I got it out. Now I'm gonna check what's the problem with it. If it is the carbon brush, I'll try to find the carbon brush and replace it. I assume that the problem will be because of the oil getting spread all over due to the harmonic balancer. Now I have fixed that one. and after like a month the alternator went away. So for removing and checking the alternator, there are 3 8mm bolts which I need to remove. It's actually a nut. You can see the debris. These are all shredded belts, and this one is the carbon brush. For removing the carbon brush, I'll be using Phillips. These are the screws. Take it out. Okay, that's the second. And hopefully we'll be able to get the carbon brush out. It looks like it's jammed over there. It should come out easily. It's getting out slowly. Okay, got it out. So the carbon brush is there. What do you think is that there are a lot of debris, which might be the reason it's not getting proper connection, because there should be 2 connections. Both of the connections should be proper. So anyways, I'll just clean it and try rotating it with a drill machine and see if it's giving proper power. I bought this alternator from Junkyard as I was not able to fix the other one. I'm gonna put it in its position. It's always better to tighten it with hands, so with the fingers, so you know if the thread is proper or not. I'm just fast forwarding everything as the installation is straightforward. You don't have to worry about anything. Just put everything back the way that you took it out. There is nothing to be confused, so everything will be straightforward. If you have any doubt, just let me know, and I'm just hoping this will help some of you over there. And please like and share if you find my videos helpful, and have a great day. So this is the 30mm bolt, nut, and this little connector, this one, I have to connect it. Yeah, here the click. Then I have to tighten the 30mm bolts. We're gonna tighten these two bolts completely. Now we need to install the tensioner, which comes in here. Before that, I'm just cleaning the pulleys where there are a lot of soil debris, oil, things like that. See here, the oil leak from the seal is common in this car. It can be by the problem caused by the harmonic balancer or the PCV, whatever it is. It's the main issue in this car: oil leak and oil burning due to wall seal issues. So that's installed. Now see, you can see the hole in here, this particular hole, that is the position marker. So this is the position hole, and we're gonna install the tensioner in here just like this. This particular bolt will be blocking the belt, so whenever you put the belt, make sure it's away from that. And in here we have inserted that. Please don't shake the camera, hold with both hands. Make sure the path is correct, and this one is the last. Simple process, but so we have done the belts. Now we will release the pulley for the water pump. Everything is in its proper position. Now we have to put the, what do you call it, airbag, and make sure no wires are hanging here and there. For that, you have to install the turbo hoses. This one goes down, as you guys know, and turbo hose, this one goes to the top and this one goes to the bottom. It should be just click and install. That's it. Okay, hear that click? That's really simple, and we have done that. Now the air duct. I got the air duct in here, and this particular cable has to go on top. push it in and it will be in its place. Yeah, that's it. This one is just plug. Now we have the turbo valve connector. Now we have the MAF is in here. Just take the connector, connect it, and the holder of the bonnet. That's it, we are done. And just connect the battery negative terminal back and we are done. That's it. Thanks for watching.